How to contact seller on eBay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually contact the seller on eBay. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, make sure you have updated the eBay app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in eBay, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the eBay application, let's say that now you want to just contact the seller of a particular product. It's very simple to do that. All you have to do is go ahead and then open up the eBay application on your phone. Once you open up the eBay application, you just want to open up a certain product. Let's say that this is a phone seller and that I want to contact this particular seller, and there are a couple of ways you can work around it. So if I go ahead and scroll down, you can see all these types of various options and so on, and you can see all this seller information. And right over here you can see about this seller section. If you look over here, you can see it says contact seller, visit seller's shop, and seller's other items. So in order to contact the seller, we will just go ahead and select the contact seller button, and now you can see general questions about this item and so on. So just go ahead and select your topic, and now you want to go ahead and compose a message. And once you compose a message, you just want to add some photos if you want to do so. And you can also see, the to never MSRP, which is the contact seller. And now you could go enter your message and then hit the send button, and that is most likely going to send your message to that seller, and that's basically the first way to do it. The other way is you can simply tap on their seller and you can just go to their seller shop. So you can see if they have a retail or a wholesale shop available. You'll also be able to see those, and you basically have all the information. Or else what you could do is you can see some of their products and you can see the username. If they're a renowned brand, then most likely they will also have their company elsewhere on other social media platforms such as the Instagram shop or on Facebook Marketplace and so on. You can just go ahead and search for their username on other platforms, and this is simply it. This is how you can contact seller on eBay. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.